So it's long after the walk, and everything's a mess, so just ignore the background. But I've been trying to get my tree together in between this sleeping fella, which it took him forever to accept the fact that he was sleepy and just go to sleep. He didn't want to do that. So anyways, finally got him to sleep, and then I could try and focus on getting this together. Oh my gosh. So let me see if I can show you. Okay, I'll show you this side first. And you see how like you can see that it hasn't been like fluffed out yet. Like you can see all the gaps. You can see right into like the center of the tree. And this is a 9-foot tree. The one I was telling you guys I was trying to get. We found it at Home Depot. So this is it all mostly fluffed out. Like there's kind of gappy, like right here. So I need to put I need to get this more like fluffed out. Yeah, like that. Yeah. See, I mean, it's still kind of like hard to see, but anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys. So now this wanna play. I'm not gonna do that. I've been trying to find some Christmas carols, like Black Christmas carols to listen to. And yeah, this one right here doesn't play all the songs. It literally just gets quiet. And apparently that one on the end there does. I don't know. So I'm just over it. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like with the light on, because it actually can go from like just clear to how am I doing this with one hand? Just pull it a little. Okay. I guess I can just put it right here. Stretching it so much. Okay, there we go. See, look. Oh. You can kind of see from this side that it's not done.
Sure, it looks amazing.
It looks good, huh? It's not even done yet. Just wait until you get home. You'll see. Well, I mean, it's not completely done, but okay. So there's what it looks like on the more fluffed out side. And this is before I've done like any actual decorating, because I haven't done any actual decorating yet. But yeah, so this is just the before. So isn't it great, guys? I'm so excited. Like I said, this year I'm not even gonna like stress the kids or anybody to help me. I'm gonna just do it all myself. This is not something I would have preferred, but my son has made this a military only area and has put up a sign and blocked it all off. So I guess this is his like very own area 51, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna finish putting this together later. We have to run to IKEA. So that means I have to get myself together, I have to get this baby together, his brother together, so we can drop them off at their grandmother's house, my mom's house. And then we need to go to IKEA. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. Okay, so the mirrors in black are not here. So we're just gonna get the ones in white. I mean, because we were kind of tossed up anyways. So he's trying to see if there's any chance that these that are over here in this color. This is the light wood, yeah. The light wood, yeah. Do you want to check at the end of the walnut ones too, just to see? The walnut ones over there? Just like you checked the back of those? Okay. So you could just quick reference the last digit, 60. If it's 60, then it's just the walnut color. It is? Okay.
So which one's the number for the white one?
We got it from here, right? So 49. Oh yeah. So when you've traveled as far as we had to travel to get here, you definitely do not want to turn around and leave empty-handed. And then a lot of times the website for IKEA is not accurate, so that's when it's hard to like check online first and see. Okay, so I think that was everything. It gets so dark so early now. I mean, I guess technically it would probably be dark already anyways. Okay guys, I am back home now and I'm about to finish or get my dinner started. Actually already started. I'll show you guys. I am making some Brussels sprouts. But I'm also gonna make some new day spaghetti. I think we all know what the new spaghetti is for this generation. I had spaghetti a lot when I was growing up, and so I feel like that was the pasta we all had. The new pasta is nice. And then we're gonna put chicken fettuccine alfredo. I mean, I need this. I have some in the refrigerator, but so that's what we're gonna have, some chicken fettuccine alfredo. And I guess I will take you guys with me while I make that. I don't think I made that on here before. So,
easier than it's like a paste because then you can jam it in and then it just melts. So good.
Children are just, they're the best. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm gonna get that going and then I'll show you guys a little bit of what we got from IKEA. So that is cooking. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what we got. So ended up getting the white mirrors, which our plan was to either do the gallery wall here or do the mirrors. So I think we're just gonna do 2 mirrors here and then do the gallery wall up there. And then I still have to come up with a plan for here. What's really interesting is, and this is, I guess this is kind of like a little haul thing, but not haul, but like a little interior decor thing. Cause I haven't like said much about what we're doing in the house and what we've done so far. But as you can see, last video or the last vlog, I think I was painting in here. We actually had people come and paint all of this because this was that color right there, which, so we're gonna paint all this and then we have to paint the upstairs and of course the bathrooms. And so we did a black accent wall here. That guy painted it. Say hello, babe.
Up here, buddy. What's up? You see my work right there? I know it's a masterpiece.
So we got 2 of these white mirrors and I think we will just go ahead and put the 2 of them here and then we'll just do the gallery wall here, which I actually purchased. I purchased my frames for the gallery wall a while ago from Amazon. I'll show you guys. I purchased 10. So I feel like that gives me enough to get like, I did the 11 by 14, 10. And so I'm kind of excited to get that done. But I mean, I'm like dealing with teenagers, and a lot of times they don't even be showering. So it's kind of hard to even get, like, are they taking care of themselves enough to have like clear skin? And anyway, so let me finish cooking this stuff up. So right now I'm just cooking the chicken, and then I'm going to, the water is boiling. Let me show you how good my Brussels sprouts look. Oh my gosh, doesn't look so good. Doesn't look so good. I'm gonna try one. One small piece, because we actually should have got 2 packs. I only got 1. Oh man. My mom made these, I want to say, yes, a couple days ago. Isai, you have to finish cleaning your room. A couple days ago. And I normally make them just on the top of the stove with salt and pepper and olive oil. She made hers in the oven and she added lemon. I was like, what? It was so good. So I decided to make some myself. And now, oh yeah, so we got that. We got a couple of these towels, which you guys at IKEA, these are only 79 cents. This is probably the closest thing to Christmas decor in the kitchen that I'm gonna add. I don't think I'm gonna do much in here, just because my kitchen gets dirty easily, so no point in adding a bunch of stuff. And then,
Oh, the Brussels sprouts.
I still have that pumpkin in there from Halloween. No, out. Go finish cleaning your room. You will get a plate, and it will have your stuff on it. Okay, so I don't want to overcook the chicken, so let me get back to this, because when you overcook it, and you still gotta put it back in the pasta, it'll end up all like gummy. So let me see how I can make this work. Oh, whoa. Is that stable? Okay, so that's gonna have to work. All right, now I'm going to this in here. Coming to a boil. You probably can't tell, it's way too light. And that's getting there. Let me grab some tongs. Get all of it in there. I hope that's enough. I hope that's enough. Okay. So now this is starting. So now the recipe I found said that you want to turn off the heat and actually move it from the heat, which I haven't transferred to this too much. There. So what I'm doing is I basically just moved Brussels sprouts to this eye and we'll put this over here. So you take it off of the eye and then you add the cheese so that you don't end up with like this separation, and of course all the oil. Yeah. So that's how much I'm putting in. Can you see the difference between the chicken and the size? Right. Okay, so the pasta is cooking, and then everything should be pretty much done. But I want to show you guys what else I got. I also got these. These are very sleek. They are plastic, so if you're against plastic, you're not gonna like this. But they're very sleek and thin. I got these for my little one for his room. This is 10 in a pack. I think these were, I can't remember how much they were, but they were really inexpensive. I got this for my little baby so that he can play with some veggies.
Whoa, whoa, real veggies. Whoa.
Real veggies. I don't know if they're real, but they're not real.
They look
They look kind of real though, huh? So it should be fun for him to play with. Yeah. What else did we get? I feel like we got more stuff. Oh, the big stuff. So we also got like a little dresser for a little guy's room, and a Billy bookshelf, the half size, to rearrange his books because he has one of those older black ones, bookshelves, and I just kind of want something that's specifically for just books. So now I'm just waiting on that because I can put the whipping cream, other than whipping cream, up since it's all if I use what I need to use. I'm gonna give this baby his little toy. Okay, so this is the finished product. Put a little tahini and some pepper on it. There's my Brussels sprouts. That's it.